Alrighty, hi guys. So I'm going to give you a quick idea of how to do the worksheet on page 39. It says worksheet titrations. So you have to determine the hydrogen ion molarity for each of these acidic solutions on the top and basic solutions on the bottom. You're going to classify each acid as monoprotic, diprotic, and triprotic, and you should go back to your notes to see what that means. It refers to the number of hydrogens that each thing produces. So I'm going to do number 2 as an example for you. Okay. And this one is 2 molar phosphoric acid. Now phosphoric acid has 3 hydrogens. That means that it is triprotic. Okay, and because it has 3 hydrogens and its molarity of the acid is 2 molar, that means its effective molarity for the hydrogen ions would be 6 molar. We would take this given molarity and multiply it by the number of hydrogens in that acid. All right, coming down to the bases, it's the same procedure. You're going to classify as either monohydroxy or dihydroxy. You're going to look at the number of hydroxyl groups or hydroxide groups within your base and the given molarity and give the effective molarity for that hydroxide. Okay. I'm going to leave it there. If you have any questions, you should ask during one of our extra help sessions, or you can shoot me a reminder. Have a great day, guys.